Hi everyone, I'm Corey with Caster Concepts, and today I would like to take a moment to discuss a question that's commonly asked to us by our customers. And that question is, what bearing is in my wheel? And to help evaluate that a little bit better, I first want to point out one of the wheels that I have here that we produce. And I wanted to point out this little gold part here on the wheel. And this piece here is what we refer to in the industry as a zerk, or it would also be commonly known as a grease fitting. And if your wheel has one of those grease fittings on it, it's going to have one of two of the bearings that I'm going to describe here and show you in a second. The first one is what we refer to as a straight roller bearing. It's going to come with this steel raceway around it with a split, and inside that cylinder is going to actually be the straight roller bearing that I have here in my hand. This bearing will come pre-greased and will need some maintenance over time along with greasing to maintain. The other bearing that you may find within a wheel with a zerk on it is going to be a taper bearing, which I have here. This bearing comes in two pieces. The one here in my left hand is what we refer to as the cup of the taper bearing, and this portion here in my right hand is what we refer to as the cone of the taper bearing, as you can see by the shape here, and that goes inside the cup to form the taper bearing. This bearing also comes pre-greased and will need some maintenance and adjustment over time for quality. This will also be in one of the wheels with a zerk on it. And the final bearing that I have here is a precision ball bearing, not to be confused of being in the shape of a ball. As you can see, it is not. This will be in a maintenance-free caster, and you will not have to grease it, and there will not be a zerk on that wheel. So this will be what is in a wheel with no zerk. And if any of this is helpful to you, please subscribe below.